I'm Ben from MavBen Constructions. We've been running a construction business now for 16 years. We specialise in custom renovations, extensions, new homes, custom joinery. Festool was my first plunge saw that I brought. I hadn't used one before that. Said, look, I'm just going to buy this one day. Bought it and couldn't believe it. Cutting flooring with a normal saw. So I stopped and then I was like, oh, well, I'll start cutting with a plunge saw. Perfect. Use a circular saw. By the time you square up your line and you try to cut it straight and with a little bit of wobble, not watching the line properly, it's not going to be right. The plunge saw, just set up the two ends with the guide, cut it, it's done. Festool plunge saw is the quickest way to cut something straight. If you want to get a nice cut line, nice straight line, you've got to use the plunge saw. You can also pair them up to the dust extractors, which nowadays is extremely vital and important for not just your own health, but for the workers on site health. If I invest now, I'm going to have at least 30, 35 years of tools. Brand that might have a good warranty on them. Like, do you really want to have to buy it 5 times, 6 times in 10 years? So what are you buying, like 15 tools in 30 years when you can have one?